Eyebrow Lifting Massage, Fix Droopy Eyelids and Sagging Forehead.
Eyebrow lifting massages. Let's try eyebrow lifting massages with me. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to try new facial exercises and massages to lift droopy eyebrows.
Brow Stretch. Use knuckles to stretch droopy eyebrows. This eyebrow lifting massage is best to lift saggy eyebrow, fix droopy eyelids and sagging forehead. You can also remove wrinkles around eyes through these eye massages. Lift eyelid. With index fingers lift sagging eyelids from head of the droopy eyelids. Repeat lifting eyelids till 30 seconds. Do this droopy eyebrow massage daily to get rid of stubborn eye fat. Upward massage. Use both hands, fingers and stretch forehead skin from eyebrows till hairline. This face yoga for droopy eyelids is also best to fix hanging eyebrows and forehead wrinkles. Repeat this face exercise for droopy eyebrows for 30 seconds at least. Up and down massage. Using index fingers, knuckles lift eyebrows up and down. This will help to reduce extra fat present on eyelids. Repeat this eyebrow lifting activity for 30 seconds. Temple massage. Place fingers of both hands on tail of eyebrows and lift them up smoothly. This eyebrow lifting massage is best to lift eyebrows and reduce eye wrinkles as well. Palm circular massage. Place palm bones over eyebrows and do a circular or tap massage to fight stubborn eye fat. This face massage will also help to reduce headache, remove forehead wrinkles, and also reduce eye soreness and tiredness. Knuckle massage. Bend index fingers and use side of index fingers to massage forehead. This face massage has multiple benefits. It will reduce frown lines, lift eyebrows, and provide thicker eyebrows. Knuckle massage upward. Bend index fingers and lift droopy eyebrows from tail of the saggy eyebrows. This face massage for droopy eyelids must be continued for 30 seconds to get better results. Eyebrow tail stretch. With index finger knuckle stretch droopy eyebrows from tail. This best face yoga for droopy brows will help to lift droopy eyebrows and also help to provide bigger and longer eyes with smooth crow's feet. Droopy brow lift. Place index fingers under eyebrows and smoothly push them up. Begin lifting eyebrows from head of the eyebrows till tail. This will help to provide lifted eyebrows and smooth crow's feet.